I want to thank the FII for the opportunity to join you today and to share with you one of both my personal and our country's highest priorities: working with, supporting, empowering our youth, the generation that will carry on the work started by Vision 2030, and making sure it touches the lives of everyone in the kingdom and across the region. We as Saudis are a young nation. 75% of our population is under the age of 35. And the canvas for our young people is not the past, it's not even the present, it's the future, the change and progress reshaping our nation. Economically, building a stronger private sector, job growth and creation, entrepreneurship, sustainable development, renewable energy, and building a global leading digital infrastructure. Socially, women's empowerment, greater equality and equity, diversity and inclusion. Culturally, placing the kingdom's arts and entertainment community on front stage, our natural preservation efforts, sharing our traditions and our heritage with others and the world. And the key to our long-term success, the guardians who'll ensure that this future society matches our dreams and honors our ambitions to create a place for everyone. It's our young people. Their success tomorrow depends on our success today. And if our young people are to be the architects of the future, they need the right tools, and they need us to prioritize their interests. They need us to believe in them, and that means providing opportunity and investing in the future so that their creativity and genius can overcome the challenges that they will face. We cannot close our eyes, and we must begin the work now. That's what our young people will be able to finish, but we must construct the foundation upon which they can reach the clouds. I firmly believe our priority must be our young people, because they are the stewards of the future. Building the future is never complete. Each generation shares that responsibility of doing its share, empowering and paving the way for the next. That's how the future is built, together.